morning, everybody. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your time that you've spent. Even if this is your first episode, if this is it's your 100th episode or whatever, thank you for taking the time out of your day and watching me do things. Enjoy the rest of your day and enjoy this episode. Just look at all of those things, eh? Yes, like, that's nice. Nice tow bar there. This place is emptying out. Is this another one of those joints? Yeah. Yes, she's right. Poor little Beetle. Now the Beetle rear suspension is on there, and that attachment for the back gearbox over there is on, if you can see nicely. This is a completely different shape to the one that I'm working on. Look how flat the bottom of this lid is here. Interesting. Here's some front suspension, if anybody's looking for some. Very nice. Poor little Beetles. There we have one of those rare steering boxes. Nice. Ford straight 6. Looks like a VW bus motor. Yes, AMG turbos, nice. That straight cut diff, that's really interesting. It's a nice truck. Join you in a second, okay? I thought this poor thing was in a little bit better condition than it's in, but it still needs to be put under a roof. What do you scheme? So this is a GMC of somewhere around the 50s. I guess maybe 48. Somewhere around there. Very similar to the one that I'm building up now. There's the steering box. That's what I need to be looking for in our shed. Oh, that is the steering box I need to be looking for. Chrome bits are still there. Very nice. Right hand drive. This looks like it's the GMC's motor. It's a big, fat, straight 6. Relatively complete. What's interesting is there is a motor mount that I was discussing with my dad. There's your water pump. Okay, what kind of a tappet cover is that? Is it the Stovebolt? I'm not sure. Ooh, it's got... See, we've got an oil cap there, which I'm missing. Grey, can you see? Color grey. bell housing, pretty interesting. The head on this motor is different because, well, not the head, the valve cover. You can maybe see the GMC over there. So it's a GMC head. This head looks different to the one that I've just done, definitely. I wonder what year this is. The sump on here is also different. So the sump has got a cutout on the one that I have. Aha! There's your selector goodie that I've just taken off yesterday. Okay, so that's how it works. It goes onto your distributor. Interesting. Is that the distributor? No, that's the carb. It goes onto the carb, sorry. Silly. Here's some brakes for reference. This is on the GMC. And there is the differential. We can get a reasonable idea what it looks like, and these are the springs. Okay, they're the hangers, they're the springs. Let's see if they match up with the springs we have. Not rusted. Yeah. This is it. There's he.
A fucking lifetime to put together, you know. You know what this is for?
What? What is that for?
Heating globes. So when you spray the car, you put those globes on.
Yeah.
And then you dry the fluxes of paint. Okay, if you can get that one out your way and this one. But maybe I can pull that from this way.
Oh, I see.
You see what it is?
Just wait a second, because here's a whole bunch of cut.
Neil.
Here's another Beetle.
And that's a wide room.
Wow.
What do you mean there's another Beetle?
That one and that one.
Oh, there are two?
Yeah.
Yes, listen, look at the tire. Look at the tire on it.
Yeah.
Ah, good hell is it. That'll look potent on a beach buggy.
Would I?
But we're not going to make one. Careful, a piece of iron behind you, eh? There.
Okay.
Right, Johnny. Neil, I wanted to cop you out just now.
What?
You see there's a whole lot of crap here in front of it. It's not crap, it's fucking assets.
Sorry, assets.
Right. There's a whole lot of assets in my way here.
Like this asset.
Yes.
It's like a straight edge, I think, from
Yeah, no, just don't scratch
18,
it. Don't scratch it.
1810.
You want to pull it this way. Then we can get rid of this thing. This is stout. Okay, it's more stout. It's big
There's this asset here.
Give me that asset. And then maybe if you can get under there, Neil, you should be able to pull it out. Here's something.
Another asset on it. Making it everything.
Oh shit, yes. Let's just put those assets here.
Okay. Heavy asset.
Yes, just Neil, isn't this the pulley you were looking for? But it's only a single belt.
Yeah. No, was I not looking? No, I was looking for a small one. I was looking for.
Oh, you're looking for the small one. Right, so we've got 4 of these Roche styles.
Cool. Okay, so we basically have four wide Beetle rims. Hello everybody. So that was a relatively successful day scrapyarding and scrapyarding. And what I mean by that is my uncle's place looks like a scrapyard. You may have seen that from some of the footage. Some very, very interesting things in that place. Yeah, some pretty wild stuff, from bikes to cars to trucks to bits and pieces. It's a lifetime of collecting things. We didn't even go into all of the sheds, and maybe I'll cover that one day. Hope you've enjoyed looking at some of someone else's collection and interesting things. I've also covered a few things on that GMC because it's relatively complete, like looking at the springs and looking at the motor. It's interesting because the GMC motor looks different to the Chev motor, and they're basically from the same era, so that'll be interesting once I get back, and once I put my motor together, I will note some of those differences, I think. Fantastic, thanks for joining me, and I really appreciate all of the comments and subscriptions and shares and likes and all of that stuff. So thanks very much, and catch you on the flip.